So, I'll tell you now, glad you're here. And subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. And I'm here to show you this. I'm trying to do it quick and fast. I just got this order coming in. Just came in. Oh shit. Don't have it on. Just got this. This going on like my bumper that on my car now. I figure out what I want to do with it. And so I'm just gonna upgrade my new front bumper, but it's not new, it's been used. It's a used front bumper, so I'm just play around with that shit. Play around with that with this until I get my original front bumper, my new bumper, the one that I'm gonna order. But in the meantime, I'm be dealing with this, trying to figure that out, fucking up my old, new, used bumper. Well, this is a very short video, so this piece right here, that's all I want to show you. But the video will continue through the 4th of July and all that. I mean, we were kind of lit. We was lit. I just want to show y'all what we're doing. And it's about cars, so I mean, it ain't gonna hurt to not show. I mean, it's about cars and fireworks and other things. So activity was so lit. It was real lit. But I just can't wait to start on this. And I did some body work on my car, and that's lit. That is so lit too. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Let's get on to the video.
Hey, Bob. You ain't getting the phone. They picking up fast.
Damn, look at phone. Three motherfuckers on that list. You ain't giving shit no more. Roll with it.
She roll fast.
goddamn snapping shit, ain't you?
Look at that truck. Look how high that truck is.
Oh, yeah.
That truck is on fire. Hey, that dog right there.
Man, I'm trying to get on the goddamn four-wheeler, man. Lit.
They had to go hawk this four-wheeler now.
I'm back here again. Y'all tell me how you like the video. The little clip I just showed you. And it ain't long. It ain't bad. I'm just saying that it's something I was doing on 4th of July. We was out there way earlier than that. And so, yeah. I mean, we was lit. I mean, I was turned. I was drinking, I was smoking, doing all the little fun activity stuff, but we was lit. Pretty lit. And when I finish with this, I'm gonna get me another joint. You already know what you need to do is like, comment, and subscribe on this channel. If you want to see more content, more of me,